Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off notifications in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. To turn off notifications here on your Windows, all you have to do is go to the Start menu, and then this time you have to look for Settings. Click Open. Here on your settings, you have to scroll down and look for System. Tap on System. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to scroll down and look for notifications and actions. Click this one. Now, as you can see, there is this get notification right here below. You have to make sure that this one has been turned off or this one is turned off. And then deselect boxes below. So you have to make sure that you haven't checked these boxes right here. Once done, what you're going to do next is you have to click this Focus Assist Settings. Click this one, and you have to make sure that this one is turned off. Now, if you go back and then scroll down here, you should see that all notifications has been turned off. So basically, that's how easy it is to turn off notifications in Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.